Get ready to do a little glue up miter fold action here. So we're swapping out over our power service on this project, and we have to make a remote pedestal, and just to add a little detail to the top of this thing, making a little sloped kind of roof, little cap out of PVC. So taping this up, and then we'll flip this right on over. Glue will get applied in the joint. We'll close it up tight, put some extra pieces of tape on it to hold it together while the glue sets up, and we'll be left with a nice little miter fold sloped kind of PVC cap.